Our friends Nikhil and Jay love making things out of cardboard, so we thought we'd make a butterfly.
Yay!
Okay, the first thing you need to do is paint a cardboard tube. We've painted ours green, and we've even added some eyes. Look at that, Dodge.
Cute!
Cute! Now we're going to fold a piece of paper in half and draw two semicircles, one bigger than the other, and then we're going to cut around them. But remember, ask a grown-up for help because scissors are sharp.
Yeah.
Once we've cut out our wings, we're going to decorate them.
Wow.
Look at that, Dodge. We've got some stars, we've got some swirls. Now we need to put our tube onto our wings using
Glue! Yeah.
using some glue. Very good, Dodge. Okay, get some glue here. Right, and we're going to pop our butterfly here. Wow, look at that, Dodge.
Oh, now it needs antennae.
It does need an antennae, and we're going to use a pipe cleaner. We're going to use some sticky tape and add our antennae just here. And there you have it, a beautiful butterfly.
We can make anything. And you can watch more episodes of Nikhil and Jay on BBC iPlayer now.